Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and this is just another inspirational video and a quick tip on setting up and trading the Papaya Forex strategy. Now, there are tons of videos out there. Um, some people are calling it the modified papaya. I've seen videos on the advanced papaya, but none of them are actually giving the accurate settings. And so today I want to share with you guys the real papaya settings. And this works for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and also MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 mobile. MetaTrader 4 mobile, MetaTrader 5 mobile, and it also will work on your PC or Mac. And I will be coming back with another video to show you guys how to set that up exactly on your computer, because there's some little finessing that you have to do to get this to work on your computer. So without further ado, this is how you set it up. You're going to go into your functions menu, and so you can either do that by tapping the italicized F at the top of the screen there, that's the function symbol, or you can tap your screen and get this dial to come up, and you can hit the function symbol there. The first indicator we want to apply is the relative strength index, or the RSI. And so we're going to click that. The period is going to be set to 1. The apply to is going to be closed. Set your style to 3. Because I'm using MetaTrader 5, I have to use a white background. So I'm setting the color to this gray right here. After that, you want to go into your level setting. Okay, and I will do all this from scratch, so let me just erase that. All right, and so you want to add in 9 different levels, and so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the first one is going to be 10, and then this description is going to be for buy. The next is 20, the next is 30, the next is 40, and then 50. And then with 50, we're going to set that description to wait / take profit. Okay, it's not letting me do the slash, but that's all good. We will just put wait or and TP for take profit. All right, and the next level is 60, 70, 80, 80, and 90. Okay, I'm gonna set the style to 2 pixels and use this gray here. We're gonna go back and hit done. All right, and so if you look at the bottom of the screen here, this is what we just set up. All right, now we want to go ahead and add our moving averages. Okay, so I'm just going to tap the screen, hit the function, and in the indicator window 1, which has the RSI, you want to hit that function key. All right, we want to go right here to moving average. First moving average is going to be 3, shift 0. The method is exponential. We're going to apply to the median price. The very first thing you want to do is set it to I'm sorry, I'm thinking about the PC. All right, so yeah, we want to set it to the median price. Okay, the pixel style for this is going to be 1. All right, and I typically start down here at the bottom with this color here. Okay, and we hit done. All right, and so now you see it's been applied to the RSI. So let's keep adding our moving averages. Okay, same way, moving average. Now the next moving average is going to be 5. All these settings should stay the same. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to the median. Style 1, we're going to change that color to this green color here, and we're going to hit done. All right, and tap the screen, function key, indicator window, function add, moving average. The next moving average is going to be 7. Everything else stays the same. Change your color, and I typically start skipping from there, just to be able to better differentiate the colors. All right, so now let's keep adding our indicators. If I'm going too fast, you guys can pause the video. And we're just going to change the period to 9, change the color, going to skip color to this darker blue. Done. Okay, function, moving average. The next moving average is going to be 11. All right, we're going to jump, change it to that color, hit done, and just a couple of more. Function, moving average, change that to 13, change the color. And since these colors, I'm sorry, gonna jump that one, change it to 13, and hit done. Add another one, function, moving average, 13 to 21, change the 21 color to this orange, hit done. And now here's one more. They all often forget this one, or they don't do it, or they haven't properly studied the strategy. But we need to add a 30, not a 200, a 30. Okay, and I'm gonna make the 30 black, and I'm gonna make this a 2 pixel width. All right, and hit done. All right, so now you have your Papaya RSI. Okay, now what I do is I recommend trading this on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now, and the thing with using it in the RSI window, if you zoom in, it's going to change. It typically changes while you're scrolling as far as what level you're on. All right, when you don't do it correctly, but when you use the correct Papaya strategy, you see here nothing is moving. So this area, this bottom area where it bottoms out down here, if we zoomed in on it, it stays at that area. Okay, it stays at that area. All right, see the little bottom out area, it stays there no matter if you zoom in or zoom out. Okay, now if you do have issues with it zooming in and zooming out, this is the method that I use in order to help filter and make sure that I'm still on the same page. But before I get into that, let me tell you the strategy really quickly. All right, once all of your moving averages reach the bottom of the RSI, which is the 10 level, okay, of the RSI, which is our buy level, you want to wait for all of those levels to cross above the 30 period moving average, which is my thicker black moving average. Okay, and so if you just kind of align everything with the actual chart up there, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see where on the RSI all of the different color moving averages are under the 30 period moving average, and then once they bottom out and come up, you can see where price starts to come up based on our chart there. So that's when you want to buy. And if you don't want to be greedy, you can either take full profit at the wait or take profit, or you can take partial profit, or you can get out of the market and just, bank your pips then. Or if you're more aggressive, you can just wait. You can wait for all of um, your moving averages to reach the very top level, which is 90. But I don't recommend that. I recommend just go ahead and bank in your pips. You don't have to be greedy. You're gonna always have opportunity, and as you compound and grow your account, you're gonna have to be in the trades a lot less. So I just say go ahead and take profit at the 50, and then just wait for your next opportunity to sell. Okay. Now, just to give you guys a selling example, like we have here, all of the color moving averages, they were all on top of the black 30 period moving average. But here in this area, you see once they crossed over, now you want to go in and buy. Now, you just don't click buy and sell just because you see all of the moving averages crossing the 30 period, but you actually want to come in here and wait for price action. Um, if you don't know about price action, I will be uploading some more videos, some free videos for you guys on price action, or shameless plug, you can head over to my website, teachmetofisheffects.com, and sign up on one of the mentoring levels, and you can get that information there. So again, you don't want to just jump in because all of the moving averages have crossed the 30 period, but you just want to wait on price action. So if you see some, like for instance, right here, the candle that's up under the crosshair symbol there, the black candle, you want to look for these kind of candles. I call them exhaustion candles, but the black one there is a doji candle. The one to the left of it, I call that a hammer. This black candle that I'm moving right up under the function key there, that's similar to like a shooting star type candle, but you want to wait for price action just to make sure you have better confluence of trading the strategy. Now, another way that you guys can filter out these strategies is simply adding the moving averages to the chart. Okay, you can actually add the moving averages to the chart. And so let me just bring this down. There we go. I'm just gonna bring this down just a little bit. All right, and so let's go ahead and add them to the chart. And so what we're gonna do is bring up our dial wheel, hit function, and this time we're gonna add all of the moving averages to the main window. So moving average, the first one is gonna be 3. Everything else is gonna stay the same. I'm gonna change this to 1 pixel. Change this to my olive color, hit done, and you guys can see that it's added there. And we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Add it to the main chart, moving average, make that a 5. Change this color to green, get done. Just keep adding them, main chart, moving average. Then we're gonna go to 7. And we're gonna skip that color, done, function, main chart, moving average, change that 7 to a 9, change that color to blue, done, function, moving average, change that to 11, jump that one, done, function, main chart, moving average, 13, hit that, done, function, main chart, moving average, 21, on, done, function, main chart, moving average, 30, 2 pixel, black, done. All right. And so now you have the same setup, okay? And now you can filter out your trades. And so again, I say that this works good if let's say if you're using MetaTrader 4, and every time that you scroll or zoom in, zoom out, as you see there, how it changes. So let's do this. Set that scroll like that. And if you're wondering how you can adjust the amount you're able to scroll left and right, if you actually just hold your screen down and then move it exactly, I'm gonna call it the indentation, how much indentation you want from the right side of your chart. You move that based on that. I'm gonna go all the way over, and then you tap the screen again to lock it in, and then you're able to go all the way across. And so you essentially want to wait for the same thing. Let's say if we you want, of course, wait on price action, but again, you can see where the all of the colors crossed above the black 30 period moving average. All right, and then from there you can just wait for price action, wait for it maybe to cross above, and then come back down to retest, and then jump in. Okay, or again, you can line everything up with the papaya down in the RSI window as well. And so this is kind of helps to filter out, hey, you know, if the papaya lines in the RSI window are moving on you. And so you could just kind of base everything off of the price action in the main chart. So all right, guys, so that's really it. I apologize, I'm a little under the weather, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys because I've been seeing this all over the internet, all over YouTube, and just the wrong settings and wrong information, the wrong way to trade the strategy. And so you can take this all the way up to the daily. You can take it up to the monthly. You can trade this. You can really trade this on any time frame. And as you see, everything is staying the same for me. Weekly. Okay. Zoom out. Right. And so again, you see how everything is changing, but since we have it up here in our main window, we can base everything off of that as well. So, but the more popular time frame to trade this on is the 1 hour time frame. So, yeah, so that's it, guys. Again, I apologize for how I sound. I'm a little under the weather, caught a bug from one of our sons, and again, I just really wanted to go ahead and get this video out there. So if you like this video, if you like the other videos that I provide for you guys, if you could just do me a really big favor, could you subscribe to the channel, also like this video, and also comment. Let me know you know, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and let's just start a conversation, and to just to help bring the correct education to the Forex community. So all right, guys, I appreciate you again for your view. I appreciate you for your interaction and your comment. And again, I look forward to bringing the video on how to add the Papaya to your computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC. I will show you exactly how to get the exact same setup. I also have a template that I want to share with you guys. I have my own personal template I'm going to share with you, and then there's another template that I found online that I will share with you and put it in the put the links, the download links, in the description of the next video. So all right guys, as always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control, and until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.